Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. J Sparkle here. So today you guys, I don't know if you know, but this is a secret of mine that I try to use sometime. So we're gonna use castor oil today with a little bit of foundation for my face. Castor oil do wonders for your skin. It also give you that glow on your skin. So today let's talk about what I am going to do with the castor oil and also the foundation together. It makes your skin look healthy, very glowing, very bright, smooth and nice. So this is my face here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put some of the castor oil here and this thing here. I'm gonna put some of the foundation, sorry, and this here, and then I am going to tip a little bit of my castor oil, and this is the castor oil that I have been using. I have different brand, different one, but this one is the one that I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is tip a little bit of the castor oil and the foundation. So this is what I put on the foundation here. I'm going to mix the castor oil and the foundation together, and I am going to apply it to my face. So I'm mixing the castor oil and the foundation together, and then I am going to apply it to the face, and then I am going to blend it out. Castor oil is also good to drink if you get the natural one, and you can see how beautiful this is on the face here. Also you can use castor oil in your hair, you can use it under your eyes. If you have eye bag, if your eye feel cloudy, you can use it above your eyelid. Sometimes I do use castor oil on my lid because sometimes when my eyes get a little bit cloudy, I would just use the castor oil on my lid, and it does work. I do apply it underneath my neck also. So castor oil have so many benefits in it, you guys, and you can see, do you see this? This is really beautiful. Like the foundation here is blending so smoothly on the skin with the castor oil. So this is how I am applying it to my face here. So what I'm going to do, you use any foundation you have. You don't have to use SD Lotto, but I am using SD Lotto because I have these for a while. And I am also going to put some more, just one drop of the castor oil again in this foundation. So, and you can see my face look glowy. It's not greasy, just really glowy and nice. So I am also applying it again to the face here if I'm looking for a more full coverage, but it doesn't feel really sticky or anything, because you know castor oil is very sticky. So whenever you're going to use it on your face, make sure that you do apply a minimum amount. I use castor oil underneath my neck, but I have a neck pad, so what I will do, I will apply the castor oil to it, and then I would also use it underneath my neck. But for the face, you don't use a lot, because castor oil is something that is so really like thick, so that's why. So this is how blending out, this is how my face look. It's so smooth, you guys. You can see that smoothness. I'm gonna use a sponge, and then I'm just gonna blend out the foundation properly on my face to make sure that it doesn't clog my pores. So you can see here, I'm just blending this out, and you can see the smoothness of my castor oil foundation combo. So this is how my face look with the castor oil and the foundation together. And you can see that really nice glow. So if you have dry skin, I think this would be great for you. I'm also going to add a little bit of the castor oil to my concealer here, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of the castor oil to it, just a tiny amount, just one teeny drop. Okay, so I add one teeny drop of the castor oil to my concealer also, and I am just going to use the same sponge and I'm going to mix it together, and the same thing here, and I'm just going to apply it here. Usually when you're using these when you're using this concealer, is it concealer? Yeah, you can see concealer is something that you can use to lift your eye up. Like you go from here, you just don't leave it, you just use it to lift your under eye. And you can see I still have some more leave underneath it, so I'm using it to lift my under eye. I'm also gonna apply some to my nose here and just blend it. Go to my forehead here, and this is what I am doing to do. I also gonna put some underneath here, and I make sure that I'm blending it very good out on my skin. So we are using castor oil combo today, and as I said, I'm not using a lot, just one simple teeny drop under it. So I make sure that I do so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some powder, and today I'm going to use the Flawless Essence Pink Setting Powder for my under eye. So I am going to use a bit of this powder here, right here. I'm just gonna put some of this over my lid also before I apply the powder to my under eye to make sure. So this is the powder from Essence. It's a pink setting powder. I'm using the same sponge, and I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes here to block out my under eyes so that my eyes doesn't crease here, so that my eyes doesn't crease. And I'm going to take on this, and I'm gonna go all over where I do get shine here, where I do got shine. And you can see how this look right now. So this is the powder that I use from Essence. It's a pinkish, really nice blurring powder. So after I apply that, I'm gonna apply some blush, and also I'm gonna apply a setting powder over my face. And today we are gonna use Juvia's Place powder for the face, and make sure. So I'm using the powder from Juvia's Place to finish set my face here. Finish set my face. So I'm brushing the excessive powder off my face. Now all I'm going to do, just add some blush. And this blush here I have, this is from Sheen Glam. I got 2 of them. Until now I said I'm going to give away 1. I haven't really found anybody to give it to. I'm just going to add a little bit of blush on my cheekbone here, and you can see just a small amount goes a long way. Just add a little bit of it here on my cheek. And I'm gonna use this. This is a Mocha Sun Kiss bronzer from Fenty Beauty. This is what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna get a small amount and just bring it here to my cheek to warm up this product on my skin. Warm up the face a little bit over my forehead. And then all I am going to do is use my spray here. I'm gonna use this spray and I'm just gonna spray my face so that so my friends, I'm back. So these are the 2 products that I use. I add about 3 drops first of the foundation, and then I just add like 1 drops of the castor oil. I mix the 2 together, and this is how my face look after I finish. I also add the castor oil with my concealer. I mix it together and then put it underneath my eyes. Do you see any crease there? No, there's no form of crease under my eyes. And my skin look fresh, glowy, natural. I don't even feel like I have on foundation. So this is how my face look. So you can mix castor oil with whatever foundation you have. If you have castor oil on just 1 small bit of drop, mix it around together before you apply it to your face. So this is how my face look: clean, glowy, healthy. I just want to say thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video, you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you, and I see you soon in my next upload.